Hello, how to buy stocks on Charles Schwab. So when you have Charles Schwab account, if you are new to Charles Schwab, you can click on open an account and go through the process and open a brokerage account, and you can open a Roth IRA as well. And once you have the account, you might even have to print out some document, complete, and mail it out to them, depending on what requirement they have now. So you will, let's say you open an account with them, so you'll set up your online account, and you can click on open an account to go through that process, and you will have your login and your password. So let's assume you create an account with Charles Schwab. So you will enter your login and your password information to log into your account. So under account, in this process, let's assume there is a stock that you research, you have it, and you want to trade that stock. You want to purchase that stock. So you should have a stock investment spreadsheet where you can track the companies you are interested in, the symbol of the stocks of those companies, and you should do your due diligence first to make sure you like the stock, you want to invest in that stock. So let's assume you did that process already, and there is another video where I explain how to find dividend stocks. So when you do your research and you find a stock you are interested in and you want to invest in that stock, you want to purchase that stock, then you go to your Charles Schwab account and you log in and you click on trade. So under trade, when the trade page opens for you, you'll have a symbol section. You will enter the symbol of the stock that you want to purchase. So when the page open, they'll show you the steps that you need to complete to get to place your order. So, and then right underneath it, you will choose the account you want your stock to be in. So there should be, if you have more than one account with them, let's say you have a brokerage account and you have a Roth IRA account. A Roth IRA, that's a retirement account you invest in with after tax money. When you work, you get paid. Your income you bring home, when you take a part of it to transfer from your bank account to Charles Schwab account, you can invest that in your Roth IRA. You can invest that in your brokerage account as well. The difference between the Roth IRA and the brokerage account is the brokerage account you can withdraw money out of it. If you sell stocks there, you have profit, you can withdraw your money anytime you want. The government doesn't have a say in it, but any transaction, when you buy and sell stocks in your brokerage account, you will pay tax on the profits. And when you invest in dividend stocks in your brokerage account, you will pay tax in those dividends. When you file your tax return, you will include that in your taxable income. In your Roth IRA, when you do everything right in your Roth IRA, you do not report that on your taxes. When you withdraw money from your Roth IRA at the age required by the government, you don't pay profit, you don't pay taxes on the profits that you generated there. And if you want to take money out of your Roth IRA before the due date set by the government, you have to wait 5 years after you open that Roth IRA and start investing it. You have to do that for 5 years before you can take your principal out without penalty. So the government has rules that you have to follow when you have a Roth IRA. But you can have Roth IRA and then you can have brokerage accounts. So you will have, if you have 2 or more accounts, it will give you a drop down menu for you to choose the account you want to make this purchase in. So you will select that account and it should show you the cash available in that account there as well. So right underneath it, you will find the symbol cell or box. So you will tap in the symbol, and when you tap it in, it should show you that company or some list of companies that start with that symbol, those symbols, those letters, and you click on the right one. The strategy stock ETF, you keep it the same way, and this is about investing or purchasing single stocks. So when you tap Pfizer, for instance, you have to know the symbol of the stock you are trying to purchase. So when you start tapping it, it will give you options, and then you can click on the one you are looking for. So when you click on that Pfizer, in this example, it will pull out the price that the last price is sold for before the market close. If you are working after hours, it will show you how much was bid, the ask price, the day range, the 52 weeks low and high as well. Few information regarding the price. So you will come down and there is action session, and under action session you will click on the drop down menu and select buy, and you'll update the quantity. And after you set the limit price, you can come back and update the quantity as well if you want to. So you have order type, and order type you have multiple options, and there is limit, there is market where you purchase at the market price, so that if you really want to buy regardless of the price, you can put market price. I do not use that. So there is market, there is limit, there is stop limit, and I believe there is one option as well. So you can choose limit. I like to go with limit, and then that will ask you to choose the limit price. So you will set the price. So you don't want Charles Schwab to purchase the stock for you if the price is higher than the price you set. If the price is lower, they can buy it for you, but you don't want them to buy it past that price. So that's what limit is about. You don't want to pay more than the price you set. So you are limiting the ceiling that you are willing to pay, but not the floor. So limit price, you will set the price, and to set the price is good to pay attention to the bid price, the ask price, the day range price. So the low for the day range and the bid, you can pay attention to both and see and compare it to the price it sold last to set a price. If you think it will continue to go down, you can set the day lowest range price or lower. That way when the market open, if the price drop to that level, you'll be able to buy it for you. But if you are willing to buy because you know it will go up, you can set it relatively close to the price it last sold, and maybe a little bit below that. When the market is open though and you are placing your order, when you set a price and the price you are looking at could be few minutes behind the actual. So when you set the price and the price you set is higher than what it just sold at, it will pop up a message to let you know that the price that it just sold at is lower than your limit price. You want to continue at that price. At that time, you can come back again and change it to something lower, or something is just sold at. So that's if you are working during the time the market is open and things are, there is transaction going on. But if you are working during the weekend or late at night or early in the morning, you can set the price lower than what it's sold at, and you can put a limit price, and it will buy it for you at a price lower than what you set, or at your price but not higher than that. So timing, and once you set your limit price, it will calculate an estimated amount for you based on the quantity and based on your account available, cash available in your account. You can adjust, or based on how much you are willing to spend on that specific stock, you can adjust the quantity. It will show you the estimated total. So timing, they have multiple options, but you can choose good till cancel, and I believe that's 60 days that your order will be in, will stay valid. And at any point, if the stock reach that low price that you set stock, Charles Schwab will make the purchase for you. You don't have to change it daily. If you change the timing from day only to good till canceled, but again, it depends on what you are doing. So if you are trading stock, maybe they only might work for you, but if you are an investor, maybe you may not want to change it daily. So yeah, for that Pfizer, you choose the action buy, the quantity 10, limit, and then you set the price. And let's go compare that $43.99 to what we have here. So $43.99 is even lower than what the day range was, and any of the bid and ask price, and the price that it was selling at that point. And another thing to consider is, if you have that boss reinvest in dividend, you can check it if you want the stock to reinvest the dividend. And if the stock pay dividend, they'll automatically reinvest it for you at no cost. And if you are wondering how much Charles Schwab charge to purchase stock, or how much it costs to purchase stocks at Charles Schwab, it is free. You do not pay commission fees. So here, good till cancel, and after we have the quantity and the limit price, we have estimated total. So once you make sure everything is accurate, you are using the right account, you have the right quantity you want, and you set the right price you want, you can click review. There is some other options like add orders, and I have not tried it yet, but I think add order will allow you to place multiple orders at once, but I like to do it one by one. But you can try it, and then you click review orders. So when you click review orders, the next page will pretty much show you the order you place, and if you agree with it, you read the order message and you click place order, and it will let you know that your order is placed. It will give you option to click on order status, to go to your order status to see if to check on orders that you placed, to see what went through, what have not, the stock that they have not purchased yet for you. Or you can click place another order to go through the same process again with another stock. And when you are done, it's good to go to your stock investment spreadsheet and record the stock you just purchased, the price you set and the number of shares you intend to purchase. That way you'll take the amount you committed into consideration to know how much you have left in your account to invest, because you could run the risk of spending more or committing more than you have available. So and you are done. That's how you place the order. So when that is the right price, Charles Schwab will make that purchase for you, and you'll be able to see that stock in your account. When you log into your Charles Schwab account, you'll be able to see that stock there, and when you go through the history, you'll be able to see at what price he purchased it for you. So yeah, that's how you invest in stock using Charles Schwab account. And you can invest in single stocks. It's not complicated. Once you start doing it little by little, you will learn what works for you, and the different pages at Charles Schwab that you access to, to verify your stocks or your statement, your history, your transaction, your order status. So thank you so much for watching. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creators of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel and ninasoap.com, our blog. We thank you very much for your time. We thank you all that subscribe to our channel, and thank you very much for all your comments.